Hello everyone, how are you? How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Well, it's time. Feels like it's time. So today, let's talk about something really interesting and let's build something really amazing. So are you guys ready for that? You know what? I really want to feel energy. So are you guys ready for that? Just say something. Okay, so here I'm gonna share my screen and let's figure it out what are the things that we will be learning today. So take a look. So I hope you can see the screen and these are the things that we will be learning today. I told you today we'll be making something really amazing, right? And that is what is we'll be making a moving cat animation using Scratch software. Did you hear that? Scratch software. Feels like some of you may be familiar with that software, right? Anyway, I'm gonna let you know in detail. And then we'll be talking about what is AI, what is machine learning, what is coding, programming languages. And then let's into the Scratch software and let's explore it. So are you guys ready for that? Are you guys ready for that? Okay, so let's into it. Okay, first of all, let's talk about AI. It has a full form, right? What was that? Can anyone help me out? Yeah, it's there. Can anyone read? Artificial intelligence, exactly. So AI stands for artificial intelligence. Now I really want to know what is this actually? Any guess from anyone? Yeah, something written over there, right? Can anyone read? Anyway, let me try to explain with an example. So everyone has to listen. This is really important. You all know it's an amazing technology, right? So here we go. It's like a super smart robot that can do things that we humans do. But you know what? Even better. Did you hear that? Even better. So that is what is AI technology. Yeah, it's like having a helper who can think, learn, solve problems just like we do, but without getting tired or making mistakes. That's amazing, right? So that is what is AI technology. That sounds good, right? What do you guys think? And you know what? They can even predict the futures. Yeah, of course, they can even predict the futures. And let me guess, you all are familiar with a lot of AI applications, right? Yeah, you all are familiar with a lot of AI applications. So can anyone help me out? Yeah, can anyone list out? What are they? Yeah, it's your time. Just spit it out. Or examples, applications or example. Yeah, just spit it out. AI applications or examples. Anyone? Oh, feels like some of you are saying something. I really appreciate. So have you heard of AI camera? Feels like you all are familiar with that one, right? Well, we have been using this AI technology. And anything else? Yeah, just spit it out. I told you it's your time. Yeah, AI cars, autonomous car, exactly, autonomous car, AI robots, and examples such as maps, navigation, chatbots, chatbot Siri, Alexa, and face recognition. See, these are the examples of AI. So this is all about AI technology. And what was the full form again? I just forgot. Artificial intelligence. Good. So just keep in mind, it's an amazing technology and we have been using this technology for various applications. So that's pretty amazing, right? Now let's move to the next, and that is what is machine learning. Wow, machine learning. Has anyone heard this word before? Machine learning. Actually, the ML stands for machine learning. Yeah, anyone? It's your time. It's again your time. Yeah, just spit it out. Wow, some of you are saying something. Anyway, I can explain. It's like teaching a computer to learn things on its own. Just like we humans learn things every day, right? Yeah, we learn a lot of things from the past experience, right? So same as this here, we'll be training or we'll be teaching the computer to learn things. That is what is machine learning. So did you get the point? Okay, don't be confused. Let's go with an example. So just imagine you have a robot friend who wants to play a new game. So how are you going to explain the game? Yeah, I really want to know. How are you going to explain the game? Just spit it out. It's your time. How are you going to explain the game? Probably you're going to explain everything in detail, right? Yeah, everything in step by step. You're going to explain like that, probably. So listen, instead of telling the robot exactly what to do in step by step, you can show the video. Yeah, you can show the video of how to play that game and let it figure it out the best way to win by itself. That is what is machine learning. Now you got it, right? So that's all about machine learning and it's an amazing technology. Just keep it in mind. Now let's move to the next. Well, I hope you can see the screen. And now let's talk about what is programming language. Wow, did you hear that? Programming language. What does that mean? Any guess from anyone? What does that stand for? What does that mean? Programming language. Any guess from anyone? Okay, here we go. Feels like you may be familiar with a lot of languages, right? Yeah, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada, Telugu, Tamil, Korean. Any BTS fans here? No, I'm just asking. So you may be familiar with these languages. Whatever, I'm going to ask you something, you just have to answer it. Are you guys ready for that? So everyone has to listen. I'm going to ask you something. All you do, just answer it. So here we go. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Wow, what just happened? You guys are confused, right? You guys are confused, right? Here we go again. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Wow, what does that mean? I told you have to answer it. Yeah, spit it out. Anyone? So you guys are confused, right? Okay, hold on, hold on. I'm gonna ask you the same in different language. So here we go. Hi, how are you? Now you got it. Feels like some of you are saying, I'm good, I'm fine. Now you got the language, right? So here, hola como esta means it's a Spanish word which means or which says the same. Hi, how are you? So what just happened here? When I ask, hi, how are you? You got it. It's because you all are familiar with the language English. And when I ask, hola como esta, you didn't get. It's because you're not familiar with that Spanish language, right? So just keep in mind, same as this, the computer has a language. So if you really want to communicate with the computer, you need to know that languages actually. Yeah, it's like if you really want the computer to do a task or something, you need to use their languages. And that is what is Python, C, C++, etc. That we'll be learning. So this is all about programming languages. I hope you got it. Now let's move to the next. And that is what is coding. And you know what? This is really important. Just keep in mind, this is really, really important. And the definition is so simple. Here we go. It's a set of instructions to complete a task. Did you get it? Here we go again. It's a step-by-step instruction to complete a task. Okay, don't be confused. Just look at the screen. Here we have a task. Can anyone read that blue box? Can anyone read what it says? Instruction to brush teeth. So here we have a task and that is what is brush your teeth. So inside the yellow box you can see some instructions, right? Yeah, over there you can see some step-by-step instructions to complete a task. So yeah, let's read it. What about the step number 1? What it says? Can anyone read? Brush your teeth. Okay, fine. What about the step number 2? Can anyone? Clean brush. Okay, that's fine. What about the step number 3? Apply toothpaste. Wait, what is going on? What is going on? Okay, let me ask you something. Is it in correct order? What are you guessing? Is it in correct order? No, it's not. Now, can anyone help me out? Yeah, can anyone help me to find out the correct order? Anyone? Okay, here we go. What about the first one? Yeah, the first step or the first instruction should be clean your brush, right? Yeah, clean brush. That should be the first instruction. What about the second one? It should be apply toothpaste. Exactly. Apply toothpaste. What about the third instruction or the third step? Brush your teeth. So these are the instructions to complete the task. So what we have learned? Coding is a set of instructions to complete a task. Here we had a task that is what is brush your teeth and we gave the instruction, right? Yeah, we give the correct step-by-step instruction. So that is what is coding. So don't be confused. Let's move to the next. Well, I hope you can see the screen and it's time. It's time to explore the Scratch software. And you know what? It's the best platform to create your own amazing projects. Yeah, you can create animations, games, cartoons, even AI projects. Wow, did you hear that? Of course, it's possible. By using Scratch software, we can build, we can create AI projects, machine learning projects. That's going to be something. And trust me, this is going to be so easy. So you guys are ready, right? So I want you to open the Google and just search Scratch. So I'm gonna show you. Everyone has to just look at the screen. So just open your Google and just search Scratch. Here we go. Feels like some of you may be familiar with this one. Anyway, I'm gonna let you know in detail. And well, we'll be having a lot of options from here. You need to click the first one, exactly the first one. Everyone has to do the same. Just click on the first link, this one. Well, then we'll be having a page like this. From here, we need to click the option called Start Creating. So has everyone seen that option? Yeah, where is that? Anyone? Yeah, over there you can see, right? Over the left side, you can see an option called Start Creating. Just click on it. And here we go. This is how does our Scratch software would look like. It's so amazing, right? What do you guys think? It's so beautiful. And over here, you can see some blue box which says the tutorial. Yeah, just close it because we'll be learning everything in detail. That's cool. And just have a look. It's so beautiful, right? And you know what? I just love this software because here it's all about drag and drop method. Yeah, here all you need to do just drag and drop. That's how we build the coding. That's how we build the project. So that's going to be easy. I'm going to let you know. And over here you can see a cat as a default sprite. Wait, what did I say? Did I use the word sprite? Okay, hold on. What does that mean? Any guess from anyone? What does that mean, sprite? Anyone? Well, sprite means the character. So just keep in mind that's really important. Sprite means the character. So here the software has a default sprite, that is what is cat. You can see, right? Well, now some of you may be thinking, is that possible to add any other sprite? Actually, yes, it's possible. It's easily possible. I'm gonna show you that. So everyone has to follow. Here, just below there, you can see a cat here, right? Whenever you place your mouse cursor over here, there is something pop up where you can see 4 options to add a new sprite. What does that mean, sprite? Yeah, character, good. So here we have 4 options to add a new character. I'm gonna show you one by one. So what about the first one? What it says, cannot read. It says something, right? Yeah, what it says, choose a sprite. So which means I'm gonna show it. Just click on it. Yeah, everyone has to just click on it. Wow, what just happened? Did you see that? That's pretty amazing, right? Over here you can see a lot of characters. Yeah, a lot of sprites. This is actually the Scratch software has a library where you can see a lot of sprites. Just scroll down and just explore it. And if you really want to add any of this sprite, all you do, just click on it. So look what I'm gonna do. If I really want to add something from here, yeah. If I really want to add this boy, all I need to do, just click on it. That's enough. Wow, did you see that? What just happened? Now the boy is in our stage. Actually, stage means the white square. Did you see that? Here you can say white square, right? This is what is called stage. So this is how we can add sprite from the Scratch library. Again, we have 3 more options, right? Yeah, here we go again. What about the second one? Can I read? It says paint, which means when you click on it, what just happened? Over there, something pop up, right? Which means some of you may expert in drawing. Yeah, especially digital drawing. So if you really want to add a sprite by drawing, of course you can use this option. Over here you can see a lot of drawing options such as paint, brush and something. So yeah, you can explore it. So this is how we can add sprite by drawing. Just keep in mind. Okay, now what about the third one? It says surprise, which means, okay, hold on. What about the third one? Can I read? It says surprise, right? Which means I told you Scratch software has a library. So whenever you click on it, a random sprite will appear. That's it. I'm gonna show you. So if I click this option, so did you see that? Over here you can see a sprite, which means, yeah, it's from the Scratch library. So randomly select a sprite and it will be there in our stage. That's it. That's all about the third one. Now let's figure it out. What about the fourth one? So here I'm gonna place my mouse cursor. What it says, can one read? Upload sprite. Wow, what does that mean? Any guess from anyone? What does that stand for? Upload sprite. Of course, that's going to be something, right? What do you guys think? Because here you can add your own image. That's going to be something. Trust me, that's going to be something. Yeah, here if you really want to add your own image, you can use this option, which will redirect into the system file from where you can add your own image. Wow, that's going to be fun, I guess. So this is how we can add sprites. So did you get it? Okay, that's cool. Well, now it's time to make it beautiful, which means, yeah, there is an option to add a new backdrop. Backdrop means the background. Yeah, there is an option to add a backdrop, and that is what is over here. You can see a backdrop option. Just place your mouse cursor over here and you can see choose a backdrop option. Well, and what just happened? Did you see these options before? Feels like these are the same options for adding a new sprite, right? So here we have a 4 option to add a new backdrop, same as sprite. So here we go again. I'm gonna click the first option. What it says, choose a backdrop, which means of course this Scratch has a library from where you can have a lot of backdrops. So if you really want any of this, all you do, just click on it. So here I'm gonna click any of this and look what just happened. That's pretty cool, right? Well, now it's time to let you know the tools and components. Yeah, of course, if you really want to delete a cat, how is that possible? Any guess from anyone? Yeah, just look at the screen and can figure it out. Is there any option or something to delete this sprite? Yeah, anyone? Exactly. Over there you can see a dustbin, right? Here you can see the sprites as a list. From here, if you really want to delete a sprite, all you do, just click on the sprite from the list, and over here you can say dustbin, right? Just click on it. That's it. It will be vanished. So I'm gonna show you again. Have a look. Here I'm gonna click the dustbin option. Wow, what just happened? It just vanished, right? Here I'm gonna click this again. Let's see. Wow, did you see that? That's pretty amazing, right? So everyone has to do the same. Yeah, everyone has to just experience the same. Just delete any of this sprite. Well, now there is an option called the size. Did you see that? Just bottom of the stage. Did you see that? Over here, size, which means of course if you really want to increase the size of this sprite, of course you can use this option. So look what I'm gonna do. Instead of 100, here I'm gonna type 200, and let's see what would happen. Wow, did you see that? Did you see that? Now, this is how you can increase or decrease the size of this sprite. That's pretty cool, right? What do you guys think? Now, that's all about tools and components. And at the top, there is an option to maximize this stage. Yeah, just click on it and what just happened? Wow, did you see that? That's amazing, right? So this is how we can maximize the screen. That's an amazing option, I guess. Now that's enough. Now let's move to the left part. Over there you can see a lot of colorful things, right? These are actually blocks. So whenever I click on the motion option, just right side you can see a lot of advanced options of motion. Did you see that? Yeah, what it says, move 10 steps, turn, and go to something like glide. We'll be learning everything. And what about the looks option? Whenever I click on the looks option, you can see a lot of advanced options of looks, which means the costume, how to change the costumes, the backdrop and something. I told you we'll be learning everything in detail. And what about the sound option? You can see some advanced options of sound. Even in this software, you can record your own voice. You can record your own voice. So I told you it's an amazing software. Now we have a plan, right? What was that? Can you help me out? What was that? Yeah, we have planned to create something over the Scratch software. What was that? Yeah, cat moving animation, right? So let's see how is that possible. So look what I'm going to do. I'm going to click the option called events. Did you see that? Everyone has to just click on this option. Yeah, everyone has to do the same. Everyone has to just click on the events option. And we will be having a lot of advanced options of events. From here, I want you to drag the first one, exactly when green flag clicked option over here. So this is our script area. Over here you can see this is our script area. Yeah, where we'll be doing the coding. Yeah, we'll be doing the coding. And I told you it's all about that drag and drop method. So yeah, everyone has to do the same. Just drag that when green flagged option. I hope you have done. Now let's talk about these blocks. So what it says, when green flag clicked, right? So did you see that at the top of the stage there you can see a green flag? Did you see that? So whenever you click on this option, whatever below will work or whatever the project will start to work. So it's like a play button. Just keep in mind it's like a play button. Now let's talk about the next one. That is what is, I want the cat move a little bit forward. How is that possible? Any guess from anyone? Wow, how is that possible? Feels like you all are familiar with the blocks, right? And I told you, if you click on the option, you will be getting a lot of advanced options of it. So just look at the blocks. Anyone? Any guess? Yeah, just click on the motion. Very good. And we will be having a lot of advanced options of motion. Motion means the movement, right? Exactly, the movement. So any guess from anyone? Which block do I need to drag? What do you guys think? There you can see a lot of blocks. Just scroll down there, you can see a lot of blocks. Just look at the color, that's enough. Just look at the color, blue color. Well, from here, yeah, which one? Any guess from anyone? Exactly, the first one, right? What it says, move 10 steps. And look what would happen. So here I'm going to drag this one over here. Wait, hold on. What do you guys think? Will it connect? Are you sure? Just look at the shape of the block. Will it connect? Are you sure? Okay, here I'm going to drop it here. Wow, did you see that? That's just connected, right? So I told you here it's all about drag and drop. Yeah, it's all about that block coding. All you need to do is just drag and drop. That's enough. It's so easy, right? What do you guys think? Well, so what I have done here, I have added move 10 steps just below the when green flag clicked. Now everyone has to do the same. Yeah, everyone has to do the same. Yeah, just get it done. Well, I hope you have completed. Now let's see how does it work. So I want to maximize the screen, but how's that possible? Can anyone help me out? How's that possible? I just forgot. Yeah, anyone? Yeah, it's over there, right? Yeah, over there. I told you there is an option to maximize the screen. Just click on it. Wow, what just happened? That's pretty cool, right? Now here I'm gonna click the green flag and let's see what would happen. What has to happen actually? Yeah, the cat has to move forward, right? Here we go. Wow, did you see that? The cat has started moving, right? Did you see that? Whenever I click on the green flag, the cat is moving. That's pretty cool, right? What do you guys think? And I hope you got the same. Did you get the same? Did you get the same? Okay, so that's pretty cool. Okay, now that's how the Scratch software will work. So that's really amazing, right? So that's enough for today. And I told you we'll be exploring, we'll be learning everything in detail. So it's time to wind up. So let's talk about what are the things that we learned today. We learned AI. What is the full form? I just forgot. Yeah, what is the full form of AI? Yeah, that is what is artificial intelligence exactly. And we learned machine learning, right? ML. ML stands for machine learning. I told you it's all about that word train. Just keep in mind, training. We'll be training the computer to learn things on its own. That's all about machine learning. And we learned programming languages, coding. I told you coding is really important. What about the definition? Yeah, I told you there is a one word definition. What is that? Yeah, it's all about that set of instruction to complete a task. That's enough. And we have been working on this Scratch software. That's pretty amazing software, right? And though we have a lot to explore, we'll be doing that. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.